Okay, guys, we're going to talk about live chat. I corrected approximately 15 live chats, and there's some problems that I want to address. Number one, live chat is a collaborative activity in groups. What is collaborative? What is collaboration? Collaboration is that you help each other, that you share the burden of work, okay, that you work together to solve problems, okay. It is not abandoning your group at the last moment, okay. The group should be 2 to 3 students, no more than that. I could allow 4 student groups in very, very special situations, and I'm not going to get into that. Remember that the live chat takes place in my Spanish lab. That means that it doesn't have anything to do with Carmen. You do everything in my lab, okay? And not only that, it's supposed to last between 7 to 10 minutes. You have to talk for 7 and 10, or from 7 to 10 minutes, not 2 minutes, not 1 minute, not 2 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, okay? Okay, 2 weeks before this first live chat, I sent you a link to a Google Doc so you can sign into a group. And this is an example of, excuse me, of what the link looks like. And I send it through email to each student in all the sections, okay. You are supposed to write your name and write your email so your classmates can contact you, okay. Not only that, if you have you're responsible to keep this document updated. If you are in group 7 and at the last moment you decide to change and move to group 2, you have to make the change in that document. That document is very important because you're going to use it for the 4 live chats, okay. You can change groups, but you're going to tell me that through the document, okay. I did it in the form of a spreadsheet, and I need you guys to be responsible about this. I noticed that some students never wrote their names. I look in the roster to see if they have dropped the class and they're still in the class. If you don't want to do this exercise, you have to tell me, because I expect that each one of you, each person that is in the roster of that class that is an active student, write his name and his email in that document. And you're supposed to do these exercises, okay. If you thought that because this is an online course you don't have to talk, you don't have to practice Spanish, well, you were wrong, guys, okay. It is very important. It's a very important document. I want you to keep it updated. I want you to all of you write your names and your emails and pick a group. If you started writing your names and you notice 3 or 4 days that nobody wrote or joined you in your group, you have to look around and see who needed an extra student, and you should contact this person or those students and ask them, can I be part of your group? This is not something to be shy about. I mean, it's what we do when we work in groups. And if they say no, we don't want you, they better give you an explanation why not, okay. Of course, if you contact a group the day that the assignment is due, they have the right to say no, because probably they either practice already or they plan the activity, or they even already have done the activity. You have to give your classmates time, okay? But you are responsible to belong to a group. It is not my responsibility to start creating the groups. That's not what a collaborative, self-directed, independent activity is, okay? Okay, this is an example of the Google Doc that I sent you. You simply pick a group, write your name, write your email. If you notice that nobody is with you, and you see other people in other groups with one or two, you can email them and tell them, "Can I be part of your group?" I included all the instructions for the live chat, and for signing into this activity. So please, guys, be careful where you sign, in what section you sign. Okay. So this is really important. Now, how do you get into the live chat? This has nothing to do with Carmen. You go to my lab, okay? And in my lab, the first thing you see in what is called today's view is a calendar, okay? And the first live chat was on September 10, that is last Sunday. It was last Sunday. So you click here. Again, what are you going to see when you click here? You're going to see a list of all the assignments you have for that day. Now, the last one is a live chat. And you see there's like 3 dots to the right. You click there. Now you see when you click on the dots, you will see a pull down menu, and you're going to click on open. Okay, open. Okay, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a blue rectangle, and that blue rectangle is actually the prompt that my lab created for that activity. Now we changed that prompt. The prompt is changed and is posted in the class site in Carmen. Okay, it is in the assignment section, and it is in the modules. You go to the week where the live chat is supposed to be done, and there's gonna be the prompt that you're going to use. Okay, so this is not the prompt. The prompt that you see when you open the live chat in Carmen is not the prompt that you're gonna use. The prompt that you're gonna use is in Carmen, okay, and it's posted in assignment and in the modules, okay. Behind that blue rectangle, you will see links to tips on how to do a really good live chat. It's like a list of do's and don'ts, and there's the training video. You have a brief training video that will help you with how to do this. It will give you instructions, and you also have the live chat diagnostic, which helps you if you have any kind of audio, video, or browser problem. You can also contact Pearson support. Okay, below those links you will see this blue rectangle with the little button that says create room, and you click there. You scroll down and you click on create room. This is what you see when you get into the virtual room. In this one you only see one window as students join the virtual room, more windows will appear. Okay, to summarize, what are the student responsibilities? Make sure you are in a group, okay? If nobody signs in your group, inform the instructor at least with 1 week before the exercise. Do not wait for the last day, 3 hours before the due time, okay? Number two, the coordination of problems should be solved by the students. You contact me when you are in complete desperation, okay, when you don't know what to do, but try to solve the problems yourselves, okay? Number three, technical problems should not be addressed to the instructor. They should be addressed to Pearson Tech Support. They are the experts. I'm not an IT person. If Pearson cannot help you, neither can I, because I don't know that much, okay? If you have really serious technical problems, you should inform me, and I can give you more time to do the assignment. But you have to document those technical problems. You can send me like a copy of the chat with Pearson or the email you send them, or they have different ways to for you to document the conversation. And number four, live chats are recorded in my lab where they will be graded. You don't have to upload the video to Carmen. I had students that not only the leader of the group uploaded the the video, all the members of the group. Remember, no, you don't have to upload the video to Carmen. And this was a mistake that many people did, okay? Okay, if you have any other questions, just let me know. I can create a discussion group so you can post questions or just talk about it or give me feedback, but that is up to you. You have to ask me for that. So I hope this helps you for the second live chat, okay? Okay.